A single person built $1 billion company, which was not possible 2 years back. AI can enable people to do work 10x faster, but it's not happening within companies. I talked to a bunch of founders and everybody is struggling to have the right kind of talent.
Recently, a CTO of a large fintech giant in India, he said that now he needs more engineers, but he needs engineers who are not only very good with fundamentals, but also are AI native. When I say about AI native professionals, it is not just professionals who are using ChatGPT to get the right prompts, but it is professionals who are able to fundamentally reimagine how a workflow should look like in the AI-driven world.
The right kind of talent is the talent that sits at the intersection of foundations and AI proficiency. You go and listen to Sundar Pichai or the GitHub CEO, everybody is telling you the same thing. Become AI proficient, but not at the cost of fundamentals. Your fundamentals is what people are going to interview you for.
We'll introduce at least one round of in-person interviews for people just to make sure the fundamentals are there. I think they'll end up being important. But it's an equally important skill. Look, if you can use these tools to generate better code, I think that's an asset. And
hence, all talent today needs to be reformed for the future of what job is going to look like. But then who does this transformation? I don't know about others, but I can speak about us. We sit at the center where we work with frontier labs to make the models better. This requires us to move really fast and build things which are really, really cutting edge. This gives us exposure to what is required in the near future. And this, hence, combined with more than a decade of experience teaching, makes us very suitable for building what the future of learning is going to look like. Imagine I'm a developer, I build this software and I deploy the software and it just goes and fails in production because I did not build an index, because I did not even understand why indexes were important. That is a big loss to a company. It works for a small team, it works for experiments, but doesn't work for a company. So fundamentals are equally important, if not more important.
All of us at Scalar are trying to ensure that every component of the program that we have today is reimagined so that every learner who comes into the Scalar ecosystem gets the right kind of learning and career outcome. We also understand that AI will keep fundamentally evolving. At Scalar, we all really want to become your lifelong learning partner in the AI-driven world and enable you to continuously excel as an AI native profession. So that is why we have been investing in building an AI learning companion that will not only sort of be there as a 24/7 guide, mentor to you, but will also enable you to practice how a professional today in the AI world is expected to operate.
I can't think of any other player in the ecosystem who has the same advantage. And that is why, if you're thinking of becoming AI proficient, you should look at Scalar.